Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So let's just do this unboxing really quick. Let's move the keyboard out the way. Let's move this, and I got dust on top of my table. Okay, so what did we get? There's multiple things inside this package, so I'm gonna have to edit the video as is. And yeah, so you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I'm gonna cut it from on the side. I'm not taking off the label because I got somewhere to actually go, so I don't got a lot of time to do everything. So let's do the first one, which is this. Okay. It actually gives you the location where everything's at, but I'm gonna cut it like this. Just to get inside the plastic. They wrap this thing up really good. Man, they got this wrapped up like if they was wrapping up drugs or something. Okay. I can use this phone, so. There we go. That's the first part. Let's get this out the way. Let's move this. So here's the first one. This is my my GPU RGB ARGB plate thing, so as you can see right here. So basically, which part is the front? I think it's this part. If I can get the thing off of it. I don't know if this is the front or the back. Find time to cut my fingernails off, right? Okay, so that's the back. This is the front. Find time for me to cut my freaking nails off. Give me a second, guys. It's hard because I got no nails, so I can't peel it off. There we go. There we go, right there. So basically, this goes in front of the GPU. Basically, what you do is you pop it on the front, this light up, and ARGBs right there. And basically, this is gonna go to my header right here. Then I have the extra part right here, which I can connect this to the fan. But I don't need that. I just need this part right there. And this is just the extra, which I have this in the back of my header. So yeah, there we go, right there. I'll show this at a later time. That's basically for that. I'll put the links in the description, as you can see right there. That's basically what it says on GeForce RTX. This is for my 4070 Ti Super. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the next one in a second, and I'll come back in a few. All right, that's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa. Okay, guys. So here's everything right here. Here's the MSI adapter for the 24 pin. Here's the plate for the GPU, as you can see right there. It's going to change other colors in a second, as you can see right there. Then there's the tough bracket right there, as you can see right there. The only reason why you see it like that is just pink. You'll see it flashing. It's basically the way how I got the colors set up on here. So just wanted you guys to see that. So yeah. And that's basically what it looks like.